Managing your finances shouldn't be a headache. Whether you're tracking daily expenses or planning for the future, Quicken Simplify is a solid option for you. It is designed for modern users who want an easy, mobile-friendly way to track spending and budgets on the go. Now, you don't want to confuse Quicken Simplify with Quicken Classic, the other plan offered by Quicken. If you go here to plans and pricing pretty quickly, you'll see Quicken Simplify plus Quicken Classic Premier or Deluxe. So Quicken Classic is the powerhouse for those who need advanced financial tools, investment tracking, and deep reporting. However, Quicken Classic is already covered in another video on my channel. You can go ahead and check it out. In this video, I'll focus on Quicken Simplify, the simpler version for individuals seeking only budget and expenses and income tracking. So Quicken Simplify is a user-friendly budget tracking platform that is available on mobile and also as a web app. So it does allow you to track your income and your expenses to be able to have a better look and a better idea of your budget. So it does all of this on the go, on the web app, or on the mobile application. You have the budgeting capabilities. You can set saving goals and work towards these goals by saving money on as you go here in your day. You can get deeper reports and insights about your budget and spending habits as well as your income. Also, you get access to investment tools like performance analysis to be able to better focus on your investments that matters. Also, you get your complete net worth here, as you can see, for a date range that you want. And you get an intuitive interface on your mobile phone that's easy to use and pretty powerful. And also, it connects to over 14,000 financial institutions like banks and financial platforms. You get secure sharing, you get your credit score on it, you get refund and return tracker for items that you asked for a refund for or you return to the seller. You get Zillow integration, and also you have dark mode as well as light mode. So here you get a comparison of Quicken Simplify versus other popular budgeting tools like Rocket and YNAB. Starting at the price, Quicken Simplify starts at $6 or $5.99 per month, and Rocket starts at $6 per month, and YNAB starts at $14.99 per month. However, you can get Simplify even cheaper if you opt for the annual plan, and this way you'll pay only $2.99 per month, of course, paid annually. Now, you get here some key point comparisons. So budgeting on the go, we get reports, investment tools, project cash flow, real-time alerts, and so much more. And here you can see that in this comparison, the Quicken Simplify is the best bang for your buck, or the best app or platform that you want to trust with your budgeting. You can import data here. You can import your data from other platforms or tools if you have been using another tool for budgeting. And you get here, as I told you, you can get it for $2.99 if you pay annually, and you get a 30-day money back guarantee, which is pretty good. So it makes you more comfortable going and making the purchase here for Quicken Simplify. And then you get some frequently asked questions, and they say that they are trusted by over 20 million people for better financial lives here. And for over 40 years, they've been around. You have bank-grade security with 256-bit encryption. And also, they'll never sell or share your information. There are no hidden or surprise charges or ads. So you can assure that what is advertised is what you are going to pay. You can get a dedicated support team. And also, you can learn and grow with the community to answer all your questions. Now, if you go ahead and let's go ahead and get started. Let's see, I want to start using Quicken Simplify. Here you need to enter your name and email, so I'm going to enter them pretty quickly right here. Okay, now you're redirected to the account creation first step, where you need to enter your mobile phone and your password, so I'm going to do this pretty quickly. Okay, now they've sent a 6-digit code to my inbox. I'm going to open my inbox pretty quickly and copy the code, paste it here, and then submit it to continue the steps. And now you are asked to enter your payment details. If you want to pay by credit card, you need to enter your card details. or by PayPal, need to sign in to PayPal in order to confirm your order. Unfortunately, there is no option for a free trial. You need to subscribe right away for the annual plan here, which it costs $35.88, and you will be able to use the application or the service. Now, let's go back to the home page here, and let's see why you should check or why you should choose Quicken versus other methods. So if you are using a simple spreadsheet like on Google Sheets or Excel in order to track and calculate your expenses, let's see how Quicken would elevate your budgeting. Okay, so here, as you can see, you get more accurate reports with less work. You get more accurate insights and valuable information about your expenses and income. With over 30 built-in customizable reports, you can go ahead and plan for future with investment tools and saving tools, which you don't get in a spreadsheet. And it also grows with you. So it has built-in tools and calculators to evolve with your finances. You get a dashboard with all the insights and a visual representation of your spending categories, and you can set your categories manually as well. So with spreadsheets, you only input the income and it deducts the expenses, and maybe you are able, if you are good in Excel or Google Sheets, you are good with the formulas, you can get it to even categorize the spendings in categories, but you won't get anything near the customization tools and the visual reports and insights you get with Quicken. However, you might be asking, if there are free options or free alternatives to Quicken, why should you go for the paid version? Well, this is the next thing. They give you a comparison of why you should choose them and pay for their subscription versus the free options. Now, one thing is free options may have ads, so there are distractions. Quicken is ads free, so you don't need to worry about that. Also, they are more robust and customizable. You have more customization options. You get only one service and you can access it from your mobile phone, your desktop application, or even applications for Mac and Windows. However, the applications for Mac and Windows are exclusive for Quicken Classic. However, as I told you, there is another video on Quicken Classic where I mention in details these apps or these ways you can go ahead and open Quicken from. Now, you can go ahead, if you are a personal user, you can go for the Quicken Simplifi or the Quicken Business Personal if you want to leverage your expense or your budgeting with business tools built in. Or if you are a business, you should go with Quicken Classic. Now also, you can see what Quicken offers you if you are a personal or even like a casual person who wants to run their budgets. To save more towards my goal, manage and reduce debt, build a financial safety net, plan for retirement, stay on track with your budgets, know where your money is going by categorizing the spending categories, of course, and grow and diversify investments. So let's say I want to learn more about how I can manage and reduce my debt. So here, for example, if I have a credit card debt, I can see a visual representation of the target debt here and how much I paid and the remaining debt with a visual representation as to encourage me to finish it, and you'll get like a sense of accomplishment once you finish this progression bar here. Also, you can pay your debt here and grow your saving. You can add monthly payments to the debt to automatically deduct your debts or a certain amount of debt per month to your debt from your income. And you even have what if tools to run scenarios to help you better plan your budget for the month or for whichever period of time that you want. Here you can determine your own timeline, so you can look for each outstanding balance. You can make adjustments as you need for each category, whichever is more important this month, for example, and you can watch your debt decreases, which gives you a motivational push to keep going and encourages you. Now, this was like a quick overview of the Quicken Simplifi budgeting platform and how you can use it to leverage your financial aspect of your life by tracking your spending and income and be able to manage your debts all in one easy to use and modern looking tool.